हे गाइस, तो मैं आज आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि PHP और MySQL में हम सर्च इंजन कैसे बना सकते हैं. हाउ वी कैन डेवलप सर्च इंजन इन PHP and MySQL. So first of all, we have to start our local server. By the way, I'm Rahul Gangotri from HackerRahul.com. You can see my website here. Here is my website and here is my blog.hackerrahul.com. Till now, I have posted 14 posts. Sorry. Till now, I have posted 14 posts, and my recent post is CMS block system video tutorial. It is available on YouTube. So, I don't know in which platform you are seeing a video, but it doesn't matter at all. So, let's get started with the project. First of all, we have to start. We have started a RAM server, and I have created a folder named search engine video. You can name it anything, but let's start with making a project folder. So first folder we will name it includes, and second folder we will name it uh, we don't need any folder include, we only need include folder. So let's create a project file, open a notepad plus and create a new file in it. First of all, I have to save it, control S to save, and save it in our project folder where I have saved, we have created my folder CMS, sorry, www directory, search engine video, and here I was paste index.php. So let's create a basic, one second guys, it is a basics of HTML. You have to write format. This is a basic format actually. So first of all we write dot type HTML head tag close, and between head tags we write title, sorry, and title close. Then we write body tag close, and then HTML tag close on last. So title is search engine by HackerRahul.com. Okay, then we will work on our body. So it is a basic format of HTML. First of all, yes, it is a basic format of HTML. You can create it. For this project, you need a basic knowledge of HTML. Like this, I've done it. I've written the basic format of HTML and div. What is div? What is htag? What is uh, basic knowledge of CSS, like what is how to margin, padding. You should know all these things before starting this. And if you don't know these, so it's not a big issue because I will cover all the points in this project. So first of all, I have to create a new file. Yes, we have to create a new folder also. Folder and name its style. Okay, and here I have one file In style folder, I have to save it file in style.css. It is our CSS file. We have to include it in our folder link. It is a very easy way of including a file in HTML, a CSS file in HTML page to make CSS coding work on our file. Link relative, sorry, rel. Mm, then we'll type style sheet, and then mm, text equals. We don't need it actually. Now we'll type hyperreference. Hyperreference will type style, the path of a CSS file that you have saved. Style folder slash style.css. Media. Oh, all. Okay. And here we have all the. So let's first style our body. Body background color is maybe blue. I think light blue. So let's see if it is working or not. Localhost and where is our folder? Yeah, so here it is. Yes, this coming. If we remove this, it will be white. Sorry, control is to save. It will be white, but if I put this in blue, so it show that we have completely include our CSS file in our project file index.php file, and it is now working. So let's create our body. First of all, body, we create a div tag and give class to div tag. We will name it main. Yes, main div close. And between the div tag, we will write, hey, just for this thing. Yes, it is coming. Then we will just a little bit more. We have to remove all the default padding, margins, border from the browser that browser have default. It is a default styling of the browser, but we have to remove it. We can also take reset codes from the internet available on various websites, but if we have to do it in three simple lines, so we have to put a star side like here and type margin 0, padding 0, and border is also 0. That's done. There is no padding, margin and border. Default हमने खत्म कर दिया सब कुछ. We've removed. देखिए, there is no padding, no margin, no border right here. So body. Now we have to create a class. We denote class from dot sign and name. Type the name of the class main, and first of all, body will give margin to the body, margin 0 auto, and width will be 600 px. Think so. Yeah, it will be cool. No, 600 px is too small. We will give it 700 px. Yes, 700 px looks nice. If we'll give it 800 px. Yes, 800 px is cool. So here we have to add a form. And form has it's a I mean to say that form we have to give form a method. It can be either post or get, but we use get method because in search string we have to pass a value of our input through a URL. So form get and method get action we have which on which page we want to uh, like in which page we want to pass the value through URL. So it will be search.php, close the form tag and write the type. Input type will be like input type will be first of all we have to create a input like text in which user should put text. User will be able to put text. We will do it by simply writing input type and now text in the input. We will name it to Q like query. You can name it anything, but I'm naming it Q and we'll giving ID or class anything. We will give let's give us an ID. And ID equals input text. So that's 10 and we will now make another input same procedure and now it will be submit and the name is submit and the ID will be btn means button highlighting a short form. Let's see how it is looking. Yes, it is coming. Okay, first of all we have to remove border from here. Only margin padding will be 0. Yes, because without border it is looking so, you know. So let's add a text, big text like a logo, or we have to put an image. Let's find an image for a search engine. Simply type search engine images. This one is nice. Oh no, this one is too big actually. We have to find something small like uh, there is no image actually. I'm not finding any image. Search engine logo. Logo. Yes. You see one image? No, it's not cool. Uh, search engine land. How it will be? No. Let me pause it and find an image. Then I will. Yes, guys. I found it one image. As you can see, it is pretty cool. So let's design it. We have to include our image here in img. So first of all, I have to add image in our project folder so that we can easily locate it. Project folder here. It is. Here. We have to create another folder, images, and drop it. Drop the image here in images. Yeah. So image src src images folder, and the name of an image is, I forgot. Images, no, I have to rename it to logo, right? Logo.png, logo.png. Done. Let's see. Yeah, it is coming, but we have to style it. Actually, first of all, we have to give it an ID, logo. That's it. Main for we have a main. We have to give a padding top, and padding top will be uh, 50 pixels. No, 200 pixels. Okay, here it is coming. Nice. Padding white will be 100 pixels. Okay, no, it is not coming. Padding right, sorry, padding left. Yeah, it is coming, but you have to give it 250, right? 250. So 250 is looking nice. And here we have to give a PR tag to break another line. So there is a gap in between the. So here we have to first design a logo. We For a class we denote a class from hashtag logo, and padding bottom will be 20 pixels, and for hashtag input text we have given an ID of an input type. Width will be 100 pixels, and a line we have to give an line. Sorry, here we have to put center tag, and after it we have to close it. Center. Yep, it is nice. uh, let's close it after all this. So yes, Let's see. No, it is not cool. It is actually on center. You don't have to justify it. So input width is 100 pixels. It is coming, but we have to make it large, like 400 pixels. 400 pixels. Yeah, it is good. And logo, you have to make it centrally aligned. Padding, padding left will be 100. No, padding left will be 100 pixels. Okay, let me check it first. No, 100 pixels is too much. 70 pixels. 70 pixels. No, it is not cool. 40 pixels. Yes, it is now at the center of the page, as you can see. You can also adjust its width and height. Width will be 50 pixels and height will be 70 pixels. So let's see. No, height will be 100 and width will be like 150. Yep, width will be also be like more width. We have to 250. Now this also make it 300. Yeah, it will now look cool. First of all, padding left will be now 2 210, 210 pixels. So it will be centrally aligned and width will be here. Width will be 420 pixels. Yeah. So it will look cool. Let me check the length of a video. So it should not